Welcome back to Tradeprofx. Today is another amazing video, and we are going to talk about cryptocurrency. You can see Ethereum is at its best level. Yes, you can see at 2637, and then when we go to DAI, we will see that it is raised. So we have 100.31 for testing here, so that anyone who was saying that it is not possible, it's very possible. So using 100, I want to illustrate using 100 USD so that you can see it's very possible. This one has come to my attention when I was doing some analyzing of the market. So you can see the first thing I told you must have the USDT, and the USDT is 100.17. so we will go to the DAI. Then for the DAI we click DAI. So there's a bit of interruption from my net, don't worry, so you'll bear with me. DAI USDT, and then you click buy. You buy from DAI from the USDT that you have. You can see available, it's 100.17. so we need to get a profit of 100.17 and above. That's the agenda, just getting 100.17 and above. That's the agenda. So when you buy DAI, you will then go to the home or trade point, so you can check how the market is proceeding. So you'll just go to, let's refresh so that we can see. So we can see our DAI has already gone well. So we click on the trade section or the home section. You can see the Ethereum is at 2638.91, so it's at a good price, so we have no issue. It's above 10. You can see DAI, it's at 2626, so you buy DAI at when it is low and then sell it at its high using Ethereum. So you'll buy Ethereum here. You can see we have 38.14. we have bought it at 38.14. we need to sell it now at its highest. Very simple. So you can see this is Ethereum at currently we have Ethereum 3811, so we will use that. You can see it has changed to 3811, so we will sell now Ethereum at the current price as it is. So we'll just read, we can see there is some network error, but we will keep resetting and refreshing so that we get that you can understand and how it goes. So you can see I'm still refreshing. I want all the full, so available, they have come, so I just sell everything. So when I click sell, let's go back to the assets. You'll note there is an increase. We had 100.17, now we have 100.49, just like that. So you can see 100.47 from 100.17, so that's an increase. You repeat the same. So especially when it's above 20, the difference is above 15. That's what I told you, and for now it's very good. So let's refresh again. There's an issue with my net, but we will see. So the best thing you got to have is a good net, and then it should be very fast. Like such kind of entries, you'll just be doing buying selling. So we buy again DAI. So at this current point we have 100.47, so we need 100.47 and above. This is the best cryptocurrency arbitrage trading. So you can see we have already bought. Then we go and buy DAI. DAI is still at 26, so it's the best time to buy DAI. So when we buy these, we can see we have bought DAI. So let's click buy DAI and then go sell it at its highest. So we have bought that. You can see order successful. So you can see USDT. So we need a USDT to be above 100.47. So we remember we had 100.47. So when we sell currently at this price, we need to see our USDT increase to more than 100.47. So we started with 100.17. So we have increased to 100.47. We need to increase. So when we go back to the assets, we need to see a change showing us that we are more than 100.47. so we have already sold. That's 100.98. you can see this is what arbitrage thing is called. So you just sell here, buy here, sell the other side. It's very simple. I told you can see it's very awesome. Ethereum is at 45, 2645. Get to my DM. if you need these lessons, get to my DM if you need these lessons. So if you don't have a Bybit account, you can create it via the profile on the Bybit section, or create by the Binance, and then just DM, and I will be showing you the best way possible. And you can see it's very easy, very easy, and I like doing it. So it's just that today I've found this market and I just wanted to show you how it goes, because I was not ready for it, but since the chance has come, so let me just demonstrate using this one. So you can see again it's 101. I've already bought, so we expect we be above 100.98. that's the target. We need to be above 100.8. so this is the thing. You can see we have reached at 100.1, so we reach at 100.2. that is the thing. You sell, buy, sell it down, you sell, you buy low, you sell high. So you can see we are going to buy, currently we have 101.01. then after buying that, we go and sell now the Ethereum that we have. So we will go and sell all the Ethereum we have. So I'll just scroll everything. So we are selling it at that point. So let's see now the assets on the USDT assets. So you can see it has increased. Now we have 101.45. so you can see at the USDT 100.45. again you repeat the same procedure. You buy low, you sell high, you buy low and sell high. It's very simple, guys. If Deriv has you're not understanding, then Deriv, which is more risky, then come and do the arbitrage trading. Just kindly DM, and then if you have any questions, I'll be explaining to you how it goes. So if you don't have an account, just create an account using the profile above. So you can see 2644, 2626, very awesome. So very fast, again you buy Ethereum, and then after you have bought DAI, then you go and sell the same Ethereum where it is at its peak. So you can see at currently at we can see at 2646. so you just sell very fast, sell that and wait for, and then refresh. You'll see your account above, currently at 102. So let's refresh again. We see the USDT, it should reflect here, but we can see the general amount has increased. So let's see. I've told you there is some error, there is issues with my net. So let's see. Let's just do repeat and refresh again and see how it goes. So the assets, click on the assets. You can see there is network error, reconnecting now. So we have no issue, but I want to show you that we are already at 102 by just doing that, and we began at 100.17. if you remember, we began at 100.17. okay, it had not gone well, you can see. So still it has now gone well. So we can see USDT 102.404. so we began at 100.17, currently at 2 point. So you see, just doing the same thing, you'll find yourself at 130, 140, 150 at per day. So this one is better than risking maybe on Deriv or maybe Forex. One of the best things I know is that crypto pays, and if you know how it goes, you will always make it from it. So let's meet in the next video, guys. I see there is an issue, so I will be checking what is wrong with my net. So otherwise, if you calculate, you will see there is a very good difference. So we have 2646, then minus 2626. That's a difference of 20. I told you 15 is always the best, but you can see at that point we are at a difference of 20.